Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving a real-world percent increase problem using a linear equation. Here is the problem. A streaming service reported 84 million subscribers in 2024. This was 12% more than in 2023. How many subscribers did the service have in 2023? First, define the variable. Let S equal the number of subscribers in 2023. Now let's think about what 12% more means. The 2024 subscriber count equals the 2023 count, plus 12% of the 2023 count. That means 2024 subscribers equal S plus 0.12S. That gives us our equation. S plus 0.12S equals 84 million. Step 1, combine like terms on the left side. S is the same as 1's. So 1's plus 0.12S equals 1.12S. Our equation becomes 1.12S equals 84 million. Step 2, divide both sides by 1.12 to isolate S. 84 million divided by 1.12 equals 75 million. So S equals 75 million. The streaming service had 75 million subscribers in 2023. Now let's check our answer. Start with 75 million subscribers in 2023. 12% of 75 million is 0.12 times 75 million, which equals 9 million. Add the increase to the 2023 count. 75 million plus 9 million equals 84 million. Check. The streaming service had 75 million subscribers in 2023. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. See you in the next one.